Welcome to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we're making smoked pork bites. I'm gonna smoke a pork belly for an hour, then I'm gonna slice it, little cubes, and then we're gonna air fry it. Pretty much I'm only doing an hour in the smoker because I want the smoke flavor, and then I'm gonna finish it off in the Ninja Foodie or the air fryer. If I did the whole time in the smoker, probably take about 4 or 5 hours. Show you how to do it a little faster, season this guy up. Yeah, I was just gonna show you that you can get the flavor of the smoke from the pork belly without having to leave it in your smoker for 5 to 8 hours. Of course, the smoke flavor won't be as strong, but you're still gonna get a certain amount of smoke flavor, and pork bites will be a lot more flavorful because they'll have a little bit of a smoke flavor. So that's kind of what I'm aiming for. Get our pork belly, and we're just gonna put a few simple seasonings on it. Okay, let's season her up. Fresh cracked pepper. And we're going for simple seasoning, so a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, salt. Season both sides. So once our smoker gets up to about between 200 and 225, I'm gonna toss this lovely pork belly in there. Gonna smoke it for an hour, pull it out, cut it up, and we're gonna do like a simple little marinade. Okay, we're gonna toss our pork belly in. It's close to the temp, 225. Okay, quick here. Oh, right, fat side up. Drip tray, just in case. And let her go. And then come back in an hour and we'll marinate it, cut it up, and crispy pork belly. So there's a pork belly. I just pulled it out of the smoker. Smoked for about exactly 1 hour. Beautiful pork belly. Let's chop it up. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some nice smoky flavor out of this. Cutting it into nice cubes. Pork pieces at a whole new level. Yeah, I always do little bites like that, bite-sized pieces. All right. They're a little big. They'll shrink down once we air fry these guys. Nice pork belly is a bit of some meat on there. That's perfect. You want that fat, eh? The whole point there. Tossing it into a bowl here. Oh, if you can smell this. Oh, probably mostly applewood. Could be a little bit of mesquite, but it still smells like applewood, so that's good. Yeah, the fat just rendered really well there, so that'll be really crispy. So if you have a smoker and you have an air fryer, easy recipe. If you don't have a smoker, I would suggest getting one. They're good to have because it intensifies flavors, and oh, it's amazing. Marinate this up. 2 tablespoons of canola oil, teaspoon of paprika. You can use smoked paprika. I just have regular paprika, so that works for me. About a teaspoon or so. Touch of sesame oil. You have to be careful with this stuff because it can overpower. I would suggest probably about a teaspoon to start with. That's probably fine because you can definitely overpower stuff really fast with sesame oil, so be careful with that. That's about a teaspoon of black pepper. I like pepper, that's okay. Teaspoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of brown sugar, just a touch of soy sauce. And we don't have to put salt because the soy sauce is salty enough. Just gonna mix all this up. Oh yeah. Ooh, it smells so good too. This is gonna be like the gourmet appetizer. There's the air fryer. It's gonna set the temperature for 400. It's gonna heat it up a bit. Toss our pork pieces onto the grill. If you can smell that. Oh, it smells so amazing. Oh wow. I outdid myself today. Oh wow, they're all gonna fit perfectly. Cool. Now, if you didn't have a smoker, you could just, do the pork belly as is, no problem. I'm going for flavor. I'll dump a little of this on here. Yeah, air fryer, it's preheated. Toss that in there. Yeah, I'll check it in about 15, whatever the time is on there. Sounds good to me. And there's our pork bites. Come back and we'll taste some pork bites. I can't wait. Flip them a couple times. Okay, I'll flip them over. Oh, if you could smell this, it'll smell so good. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Okay, if these are a hit, I'll make them again. Oh yeah, so they're all completed, so I guess we'll have to give them a try. Crispy pork bites. There they are, yummy. Give our pork bites a try. They got a little crispy, but maybe that's the whole point. Give them a try, pork bites. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love ya. And do try some smoked pork bites or pork bites in the air fryer. You can do them exactly the same way without the smoke, but if you have a smoker, add smoke. Very good. See you soon.